Greetings from the future.
Yep.
I am Kevin.
I am Laura.
And we are the Vegan RV.
Yes.
Welcome to our channel. Just kidding. What's up?
Howdy.
Well, we're going back.
Going back.
To La Paz. Why is that?
Because we have to go through it to get back north.
There's also another reason.
There's a better reason than that.
It's Carnival. So we are gonna party with the locals, basically.
Yep.
That's what it comes down to.
Yeah.
So back in La Paz, what's the first thing that all vegans do?
Find the awesome vegan food.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So when we were in town last, we were walking by, and it's much like I can pick out a cell tower. I can see the word vegan from, I don't know, 20 miles away, somewhere around there.
It's a gift.
We were literally passing by this like cork board on the side of the street, and I saw the word vegan tacos, and I'm telling you, it was like it was so tiny. It was written so tiny. Yeah. But this place called Mango Blues was just opening up, and we were leaving that last time.
Yep.
So on the way back, that's the first thing that we need to do. So we head over there. It's a taco joint. So cheap, so delicious.
Yeah.
In fact, it's so delicious, you're gonna see it twice. So good. First time we went, they didn't have like everything.
Yeah, they were not expecting the crowds that they got.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Which is awesome.
Yep. So go vegan, and so you see that twice in this video. It's really good. Yeah. And we also go party at Carnival.
Yeah, so we catch the parade Sunday night.
Yep.
There's, what is it, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday nights, night during Carnival, they have the big parade. Of course, Tuesday is Fat Tuesday, so that's like the big blowout. We didn't go to all of them because, I mean, how much do you need to see? But we did go Sunday, and then we went again Tuesday.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Some good floats, really good floats.
And oh my God, so many people, and it's like, it's a little bit different than Mardi Gras in New Orleans, or even...
It's more family oriented.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you'll see.
Which, I mean, is good in some respects, and better if they took off the clothes. Well, we checked out a beach.
Yeah.
But you'll have to check out the name in the video.
Did you forget already?
Oh, checka. Yeah, see, he got it. That bird just got it. He knew exactly what it was called. So, check it out. We'll see you guys in a bit.
All right.
Enjoy. Vegan tapioca.
So Kevin, where are we?
We're at a beach. El Tecolote, Mecca honey ho. Check out this cool spot. Yeah, come on. Turn it this way, girl. We got our own cave. What's up?
Look at this shit.
Yeah. Don't come to Mexico.
It's terrible here. The beaches are overly crowded. There's nowhere to, sit. It's awful.
It sucks. Yeah. Oh, they're all out there.
Oh, what? Another. Yeah. And over here, I don't know if you guys can see these. I can't tell if you can see these at all.
About 6 o'clock.
We did, but it was too late. We found parking.
It was already closed. Oh.
Yeah.
Carnival is about to begin. The parade is starting.
This has a better view for us. Should go get it.
Yo quiero hablarte, quiero hipnotizarte, estoy distraerte, quiero bajarte.
Seafood's never going to catch on in Mexico. Never going to catch on.
Oh, check it, look. I don't even know why I said in the video.
Yeah. Well, they do because they just listen to
Yeah. Oh, I don't. I mean, I said it and I still don't know what I said. So, outside of that, we go and we take everybody back to Capuchino, which we went to last time because Paul and Lorena and Richard and Cheryl weren't with us.
Yeah, so they didn't get to try it.
So they didn't get to try it.
Now everybody got to try it.
Yeah, and it's so good.
Yeah.
And it's got a cute monkey on the outside.
It does.
So, went there. What else are they going to see?
We went to the beach again.
Oh, we went to a beach. So, El Mecca-Licka-Hi Mecca-Honey-Ho, there's another beach called Balandra. And it's probably the farthest I've ever walked away from the shore and still not have my knees wet.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, you
super
can
shallow.
Trudge through there forever.
Yeah, and it points like you'll be way out there and all of a sudden you'll, on your way back in, there's no water. It's just like you're walking on beach for the whole time. So it's so crazy. It was really pretty out there. Pro tip, go around the big point and there's some cool beach happenings back there. Did a little snorkeling while we were there. Bring your snorkel gear.
We saw
some cute
fishes.
fish. And what else are they going to see? Oh yeah, Fat Tuesday.
Yep.
So we're at the end of our party that we're going to have. And the group got a killer spot on the roof for us to watch the parade, which was, in my opinion, a better angle. The food was way better at this place. It was called...
And that they actually had food that was vegan.
Yeah.
Harker Board.
Harker Board. And it's a cool place. Harker Board's awesome.
Yeah.
Anyway. So, yeah, you should check out more of those festivities.
Yes.
And we'll see you back in a bit.
See ya.
With the pineapple on it. That was like, I'm not sure if they're vegan. They are vegan.
Who orders a fat plate?
Echándole ganas, de poder a poder camina al cierre de la carrera, avanza 3 y número 14, vamos por 4 en la recta final de la carrera. De eso se trata en la práctica, mi amigo. 8 es el ganador.
So this is the situation. So we're out here, and we found some shady characters out here in the water.
Some shady characters. Yep. It's over there, the shady characters.
Cheryl and Richard are now making.
Let's get them moving. That's Mushroom Rock over there. We're not going to. Yeah. Oh no, I don't know what's happening here. I don't know why there aren't any fish around here. Yeah, the waves are making it hard to see what it is. Oh, it's the yellow ones with the yellow. All these holes. I don't know who lives in them. Maybe we'll see them.
Que probablemente estaban en una región de la actual Somalia. Carnaval elaborado por José Juan Gómez. Para irse música bajo la violencia en la tierra, con silencio. Con gusto a los patrocinadores de este premio carnavalesco que se mira sobre el
They already know you're killing my vibe.
Despacito, tira abajo, mira, tira su brazo y no deje la cara Despacito. Ándale, señorito. pesos. Una nomás, hay que meter otra.
Sale otro, 50, hay que pagar. ¿Se queda? La Sofía, sale, 50 kilos de maíz. Se me cayó, sale señor, 50, no se vale cambiar. Es como salen, sale señor. De todos los remates que traemos, señor. Mira lo que traigo aquí, mira lo que traigo aquí. Ahí te va, señor, se lo voy a mostrar, se lo voy a enseñar.
Ya llegó, ya está aquí, el nuevo juego de los aritos gigantes. Recuerda que es un juego muy fácil y sencillo donde todo el mundo puede ganar, donde todos...
You know, when you get off the rooftop, everybody's partying, and you hear everybody winning all these amazing prizes at these carnival games. We gotta do it.
Yep.
So we head down on Fat Tuesday, down to the crowd, and hang out and win nothing. Actually, no.
You did
I
win
did
stuff.
win some.
You
Yeah.
all won stuff.
Yes.
We
I
have
got
video evidence.
Yep. I got the cool
Top quality prizes.
Yeah. It's still in the RV. It's probably taking our gas mileage down about 2 miles a gallon. But anyway, it was cool to walk through, and probably my most favorite thing in Mexico.
Oh, I know what you're going to say.
Blanket auctions.
It's so crazy. Such a weird thing.
50. Abierto. I don't even know what they're saying, but it's so exciting. I feel like there needs to be like power-up moves, kind of like in Dance Dance Revolution. Everything's like going crazy and like, I don't know. I feel like, and the guy should start dancing. So
I don't know. He was having a hard time just talking at that point.
Yeah.
He was a little run down.
But if you, all you blanket auction people, if you want to step up your game, you can take that idea.
Yep.
Because it's killer.
But we saw a blanket auction in Juarez also,
Yeah.
so it's not just it's not just at Carnival. You might see it at various places in Mexico. So
And they're
look
so
for
much
it.
fun.
It's kind of crazy.
Yeah, so much fun.
Yep.
Outside of that, I think that was it. So I think we're going to let everybody
Wind it up.
Yep.
And sadly, we have to leave our buddies.
They hate us.
Because they're going back south, and we have to book it north. So.
Yep. You'll see some wearing t-shirts. Got the wind blowing. Some blue skies.
I just got hit by
Yeah, so did I.
All
So
right,
did
well,
I.
it's in.
All right. So, yeah, do all the usual things. We'll see you guys next time.
Okay, bye.
See ya.